Imagine the world. Walang Wi-Fi, walang signal, as in total blackout ng convenience. And yet, people were already discovering the secret of the universe. Isa itong kwento ng Mesoamerican Intellectual Revolution, isang panahon na kung saan ang talino ay hindi nakadepende sa teknolohiya, kundi sa lakas ng utak at obserbasyon.
In the lands of Mayan Aztec civilizations, they would look up at the sky every single night. Hindi lang basta tinginan, kundi parang inisa-isa nila ang bawat bituin. And then, something unbelievable happened.
Without telescope, without any modern tools, they were able to predict eclipse. Like hello, even today, we use technology for that.
Pero sila,
Kaya namin yan!
grabe, parang gusto mo matanong.
Mga tao ba talaga sila? Or genius from other level? And wait, there's more. They created their own writing system. Yes, they documented their knowledge, history, beliefs, and ideas. Hindi na sila nabubuhay. That they were thinking deeply, intensely, and intellectually.
And the most shocking part, zero. Yes, zero. Habang ang ibang civilization ay nalilito pa.
Paano nga ba to?
Ang Maya? Madali lang yan. Zero. Like, excuse me, ang effortless. Because of this, they made extremely accurate calculation, especially in their calendar. Their calendar was so precise na halos kapareho na ginagamit natin ngayon. Imagine mo yun, wala silang gadget, wala silang apps, pero nakakasabay sila sa modern accuracy. Nakakayak sa galing!
So now, mapapaisip ka talaga. What does it mean to be intelligent? Talino ba ang nasa technology o nasa paraan ng pag-iisip? Because clearly, the Mesoamerican civilization proves something powerful. They were not just intelligent, they were wise. May connection sila sa nature. Hindi lang basta tanim dito, green doon. No. They understood the world. Every action may meaning. Every decision may knowledge. Grabe no? Ang lalim. This is why this is called intellectual revolution. Because they didn't just learn, they changed the people. Understand the world kahit na wala silang modern tools. They achieved extraordinary things. And then, here we are, with phones, internet, lahat na nasa kamay na natin. Pero minsan, nahihirapan pa rin tayo mag-isip deeply, to observe, to question, samantalang sila with almost nothing.
Did almost everything.
Ang sakit pero ang ganda na realization.
So, the Mesoamerican intellectual revolution reminds us that true intelligence is not about what you have. Hindi sa dami ng gadgets, hindi sa bilis ng internet, at hindi sa kung gaano ka-modern ang buhay mo, but in how you think, how you observe, and how you question even the simplest things. Because sometimes, the greatest discoveries don't come from machines. They come from curiosity, from patience, and from a mind that focuses to supple learning. The ancient Mesoamerican minds show us na kahit limitado ang resources, limitless pa rin ang imagination. Limitless ang potential. At kahit tahimik lang ang buhay nila noon, their idea were loud enough to echo through history. Because even the simplest times, great minds can rise and change the world forever. Hindi kailangan maging perpekto, hindi kailangan maging mayaman, at hindi kailangan magkaroon ng lahat. At minsan, kailangan lang natin tumingin, mag-observe, mag-isip at maniwala na kahit tayo, kahit simple lang, kaya rin nating gumawa ng bagay na makakapagbago sa mundo. Yan lamang po at mabuhay sa inyong lahat.